Good afternoon, everybody. Right, so it's a Monday afternoon. I've just completed my first job of the day. Just sitting here having a cup of tea because I've got about 10 minutes before I'm supposed to be on the next job, and it's only around the corner. So just having a quick cup of tea before I go. Okay, so this job is quite a strange one. I'm hoping you lot are going to go easy in the comments because it's very strange. I must say, I've never experienced what these people have said to me. I mean, they were very nice about what I'm about to tell you, but they built this house, I think 30-40 years ago, and they had their patio laid using reclaimed York stone, and it's in the shape, well, it's in, and it looks like crazy paving, so it's in the shape of crazy paving. And they said when they bought it, it was completely covered in black spot. I mean, it wasn't even black spot, it was just black. So I cleaned this for them I think 4 years ago now. Because I saw how black it was, I said to them, look, I can put some sodium hypochlorite, hypo, bleach, whatever you want to call it, and that will vastly improve this. And they agreed, and I did it, and I thought they were very happy with the job. I mean, I'm not going to lie, you've seen some of my other videos where the black spot gets so bad that you just can't get rid of it. You can go over it 5 or 6 times using neat hypo and it just does not come off. It vastly improves it, but it doesn't come off. Anyway, so yeah, I left that job. It brightened it up massively. It looked really good. But I got a phone call for me to come back and re-clean it. So that's what I'm here to do today. And I said, did you want the treatment again? And they basically said, no, we actually really did not like the way it looked when it had been brightened up. Yeah, we actually preferred it dark, black, covered in spots. So yeah, first time, there's a first time for everything, I suppose, and this is certainly a first for me. They said absolutely not, please, we don't want that chemical on there, we like the way it looks, so can you just come and give it a pressure wash, no chemical. So that's what I'm here to do today. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. I mean, to be honest, it's quite a small patio. It's not going to take me long, and it literally is just a pressure wash. That's it. I thought I'd film it and share this with you because it is quite an unusual thing. No one's ever said to me, I like the black spots. But each to their own. It just goes to show people are different, and you have to respect that. Well, people are different, and we should all respect people's opinions and different thoughts and different views and different likes and dislikes, you know. So it's not my cup of tea, and I'm sure it's not quite a few of yours, but who are we to say what they should like and not like? But anyway, look, enough van waffle, as my old mate Lee from Old School Windows likes to call it, and let's walk you around the job and I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Cheers. Okay, so here I am at the job, and it's just started raining. That's no bother really, I don't mind. It's still quite warm, so it's only spitting as well. Right, so the bin is filling up. I'll just take you for a little walk around and show you what I was talking about. What's good is that actually where they've had the table, they've had an outside table, which they have actually kindly moved a load of stuff, and these guys are sort of quite old, so thank you very much for doing that, guys. I would have done it for you, but very grateful for that anyway. So if you look here, that is about how bright I got it last time. It was actually brighter than that. And you can see there, that's more the colour it was, but they didn't like that, and they don't like it. They prefer it this colour, which actually in a way, it is so black, it almost looks like very similar to what's it called, black limestone. You could almost be forgiven for thinking that is black limestone, but it isn't. It is York stone. I imagine is extremely old, because if it was reclaimed when they got it 30-40 years ago, I mean, where was it reclaimed from? It could be could have been 40, 50 years before they got their hands on it. So yeah, it's absolutely caked in the black stuff, but it's so bad that it's all joined together and is all just one bit of black. It's not black spot, it's black splodge. So yeah, this is the patio. Around there. Right, let's crack on and get this clean. A few pots left there. I'll just roll them, clean them, roll them back. This shouldn't take long. Right, let's get this camera set up. So you might be thinking, what are you actually doing? And for a minute I was thinking the same. But it is cleaning dirt off, because you can see there, look. That's what it was. That's clean, so you can see the line there. So it is doing something, but not a huge amount. It just seems to be cleaning the surrounding pointing. It's making almost no difference to the actual paving itself. But there you go. Like I said, that's what I got it to originally, and that's what it looks like now. But they don't want it off. They like it. So I have to leave it alone and respect their wishes. But anyway, let's carry on. Okay, so there you have it. Looking marginally better, in my opinion. I mean, it certainly looks a little bit cleaner. I mean, the customer's happy, and that's all that matters really. But it's just a shame. It's just a shame I can't put any black spot remover down, because that would be vastly improved. It would look like that there, or that there. But no. Well, the customer is always right, as they say. Anyway, job done, on to the next one.